Flax seeds can be dangerous. Don't make these mistakes. Flax seeds can supercharge your health or wreck your digestion. Most people don't know which. The wrong habits erase every single benefit. Most people are guilty of them. If flax seeds are sitting in your kitchen right now, I need you to stay with me for the next few minutes. Because yes, they can help lower cholesterol, improve digestion, balance hormones, and even support heart health. But only if you know the right way to use them. The wrong way, that's wasted money, wasted time, and sometimes painful side effects. Why flax seeds can be dangerous. Flax seeds look harmless. Tiny brown or golden seeds you sprinkle into smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. But here's the thing. Your body isn't built to fully digest them in their raw, whole form. And that's just one part of the problem, because the other mistakes can leave you bloated, drained of nutrients, or eating flax seeds that are already spoiled. There are 3 big mistakes people make with flax seeds. 1. Eating them whole, which means your body can't absorb their omega-3s, lignans, or fiber. 2. Eating too much, too soon, which can cause bloating, gas, or even digestive blockages. 3. Storing them wrong, leading to rancid oils that harm your health instead of helping it. Each one can undo all the good flax seeds are supposed to do for your body. Mistake number 1. Eating flax seeds whole. Let's start with the most common. Eating flax seeds in their whole form. Here's the truth. Your digestive system can't break down the hard outer shell of a flax seed. That means if you eat them whole, they pass straight through your gut unchanged, and so do the nutrients. Think about it like this. It's like buying a safe full of gold, but never having the key to open it. The nutrients are there. Omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber. But your body can't access them unless the seed is broken open. Fix it. Always eat flax seeds ground. You can buy ground flax seeds, also called flax meal, or grind them yourself in a coffee grinder. Grinding releases the nutrients and makes them bioavailable, meaning your body can actually absorb them. Pro tip: if you grind them yourself, only grind small amounts at a time. Once ground, flax seeds can spoil quickly because the oils inside are delicate. Up next is the mistake that can turn healthy flax seeds into something harmful. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Even if you grind your flax seeds, this next mistake can turn them from a health booster into a digestive nightmare. Mistake number 2. Eating too much, too fast. I get it. When you hear something is healthy, you want more of it. But with flax seeds, that's a dangerous mindset. Flax seeds are incredibly high in fiber. Just 2 tablespoons have about 4 grams of it. If your body isn't used to that much fiber, jumping in too fast can lead to bloating, stomach cramps, gas, and even constipation. I've seen people go from 0 flax seeds to 4 tablespoons a day, and then wonder why their stomach feels like a balloon. Fix it. Start small. 1 teaspoon a day. Let your digestive system adjust. Gradually increase to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. That's plenty to get the benefits without upsetting your stomach. And here's the sneakiest. Storing flax seeds wrong can make them harmful instead of healthy. Mistake number 3. Storing flax seeds wrong. This one's sneaky because most people don't realize how fast flax seeds can spoil. The healthy fats in flax seeds, omega-3s, are sensitive to light, heat, and air. Store them wrong and they go rancid. Not only do you lose the benefits, but rancid oils can produce harmful compounds that increase inflammation in your body. Fix it. Whole flax seeds can be stored at room temperature in a dark container for up to a year. Ground flax seeds should always be kept in the fridge or freezer in an airtight container. If they smell fishy or bitter, toss them out. That's a sign they've gone bad. Why flax seeds are worth eating. If you do it right, flax seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that supports heart and brain health. They're rich in lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant and estrogen balancing effects. Studies show they may help lower the risk of certain cancers, especially breast cancer in women. Plus, They're a great source of soluble fiber, which can lower LDL cholesterol and improve gut health. But again, none of that matters if you eat them wrong. The right way to use flax seeds. 1. Always grind them. Grind flax seeds just before eating, or buy ground flax seed from a store that sells them in sealed, light-proof packaging. 2. Store properly. Keep ground flax in the fridge or freezer. Whole seeds can sit in your pantry, but still away from sunlight and heat. 3. Start small. Begin with a teaspoon a day, then slowly work your way up to 1 to 2 tablespoons. 4. Add them to the right foods. Flax seeds mix well into smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or baked goods. If baking, keep the temperature moderate. High heat can damage the omega-3s. Flax seeds are like treasure chests. The gold is inside, but you'll only get it if you know how to open them. Once you start eating them the right way, your digestion, energy, and even mood can noticeably improve. And here's how. What happens when you eat them right? Here's what you can expect if you start using flax seeds the correct way. Better digestion from the soluble and insoluble fiber working together. Lower cholesterol levels thanks to the binding effect of soluble fiber. A steadier mood and reduced inflammation from the omega-3s. Healthier hormone balance, especially for women in menopause due to lignans. And yes, all of this without the bloating, stomach pain, or wasted nutrition that comes from eating them the wrong way. Flax seeds are powerful for your health, but only if you 1. Grind them before eating. Whole seeds are useless for nutrient absorption. 2. Start small. Let your gut adjust to the fiber. 3. Store them right. Protect those delicate omega-3 oils from light, air, and heat. If you learned something new today, hit the like button so more people can avoid these mistakes. Your health is too important to leave to guesswork, and sometimes the tiniest changes make the biggest difference. Subscribe and check out my other videos on chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, and other superfoods you might be eating wrong.